What's one symbol that your father would give you that you know?
There was no warning from my father.
He was a ninja.
Yeah, there's nothing. All of a sudden, pow! No, my mother,
Yes.
My mother.
It was either
Cuando te pidió a casa.
it was it.
It's always this.
Or the 3 fingers, but he would give it to me like this.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That means you had 3 seconds. Get the out of his face.
My dad
He's gonna
gave
kill you.
a verbal warning. And then when you saw his face, he closed his eyes and he'd go, Jesus, ayúdame tú. And when he said that, all right, get the out of his face. We got to get out of here right now. That was it.
Ours was like, ours was a surprise every time. It was.
My father wouldn't even
got
surprise
away
us
with it.
sometimes. It'd be like, Venica.
See, that's nice. They're
And
telling
you knew you had to go
trash.
there.
Yeah.
Because you're gonna die.
Yeah,
If
exactly.
you don't go there, at least take it. Or
Right.
you're gonna die.
Die quick.
You know.